A&G Engineering is Australia's largest and best known manufacturer of stainless steel products and equipment. We service various industries, in particular the brewery, the dairy, the winery and a number of industrial applications as well. We're a national company which has locations across 3 states with about 150 employees. We have engineers, we have drafting, we have welders, fabricators, fitters, crane drivers, transport operators, you name it, there's a role for you here at A&G.
Well, I'm here at A&G, I'm a 4th year apprentice, so I am training as a welder fabricator. Yeah, we build dairy tanks, grain tanks, winery stuff, so we build all the tanks and then we have all the walkways and handrails and all that go out on top. I got it probably about a quarter of the way through year 10. I wasn't really doing much in school, so I thought, oh, well, may as well go out and make some money.
I'm a 2nd year fitter and turner apprentice, so we make components for tanks that the welders put together. So we make fittings and we cut threads and stuff. Well, I did work experience here for a week and they offered me a job at the end of it, so I jumped on it. My old man didn't want me to leave school straight away and just cut it off, so that was the best way to do both.
My role's apprentice welder fabricator. I'm 1st year here, worked in Coles for a year and a bit. Got a bit over customer service and thought change it up, and we did some welding on the side at home and whatnot. Thought make a good job of it, I enjoy doing it. One of my friends worked with A&G here and he actually recommended it because it's a really good business, and since I started working I've really enjoyed it. Really good.
Doing a school-based apprenticeship takes a bit of stress off school because you have less workload and it helps you work out if you actually want to do this full time.
So you have TAFE for 3 years, and so with TAFE it's a lot of book work and then you learn all the theory side of things.
We actually have an on-site training area which we come to work as normal, so we don't have to travel everywhere, which is really helpful having it here.
It's a good variety of work, you have good overtime, you've got good workmates that you work with.
Since working here, discovered I prefer physical work and hands-on work. So coming through an apprenticeship, you learn every single step of the way and everything that you need to know about your work. Just seeing how it goes from a pile of metal and whatnot to these big structures. You feel accomplished seeing it all put together and finally out on site.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Visit our website at www.agengineering.com.au, or alternatively just come in and see us and we'd love to show you around and what we have to offer.